The 1932 Alfa Romeo 8C 2300 Spider represents one of the finest achievements in pre-war automotive engineering. Conceived by Vittorio Jano, Alfa Romeo's chief engineer since 1923, the 8C was born from a lineage of successful six-cylinder cars such as the 6C 1500 and 6C 1750. These earlier models had dominated European racing, but increasing competition demanded more power. Jano responded with a new straight-eight engine, two light alloy four-cylinder blocks mated on a common crankcase with twin overhead camshafts and a Roots supercharger. Displacing 2,336 cubic centimeters, the unit produced over 140 horsepower in early form and later exceeded 170 horsepower in competition trim. The 8C 2300 debuted in 1931 and quickly established itself as the car to beat. Short chassis Corto versions excelled at the Mille Miglia, while long chassis variants won Le Mans 4 years in succession from 1931 to 1934. The ultra-short Monza was a Grand Prix weapon in the hands of Tazio Nuvolari and other aces. Victories at the Targa Florio, Spa 24 Hours, Monaco, and Italian Grand Prix cemented its reputation. In total, only 188 examples of the 8C 2300 were built between 1931 and 1933. Coachwork varied according to client and purpose. Touring of Milan and Zagato produced some of the most striking Spiders, including the elegant 1932 touring-bodied Spider displayed at the Paris Motor Show. These lightweight bodies, combined with the four-speed gearbox, semi-elliptic suspension, and robust chassis, made the 8C not only fast, but also remarkably balanced on the road. Its gated shifter, Roman numeral shift markings, and precise Jaeger instruments gave it a uniquely Italian character. Many original cars led active racing lives, some suffering crashes and rebuilds. Others were rebodied after the war, while a number of reconstructions emerged in later decades. Notable specialists such as Jim Stokes in England and Auto Restorations in New Zealand dedicated years to assembling authentic engines and chassis from surviving parts. These projects kept the 8C alive and ensured that the thunderous roar of Jano's masterpiece continued to be heard. Today, surviving 8C 2300 Spiders are among the most coveted pre-war automobiles. They appear at Pebble Beach, Amelia Island, and European Concours events, often winning top honors for authenticity and presentation. Their combination of advanced engineering, stunning coachwork, and unmatched racing pedigree has made them icons of Italian motoring. For collectors and enthusiasts alike, few experiences rival the sight and sound of a 1932 Alfa Romeo 8C 2300 Spider at speed, a reminder of an era when Alfa Romeo stood at the pinnacle of world motorsport.